Hey everyone, welcome to episode 65. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at how to thread, wind up a bobbin, and also load the bobbin into your Cobra Class 29-18 patching machine. So let's take a look and see how this is done. Place your thread cone on the thread stand and make sure that the thread comes off freely with no obstructions. Insert the thread through the thread stand hole from back to front. Pass through the pin thread guide. Raise the wire guide in the oil cup and pass the thread under, and then put the wire guide back into place. The thread goes around the back side of the pin and in between the two tension discs. You'll hear it click in. Proceed through the wire eyelet guide. Head up towards the take-up lever and thread from front to back. You will need a threading wire for this next part. Take a look at the tip of the wire. It has a grooved section to help push the thread down through the needle bar. All right, using the threading wire, gently push the thread through the slot hole on the needle bar. Once the thread is at the bottom, pull it to bring the rest of it through. Now thread the needle from left to right and you're all set. All right, so to wind up a bobbin, start by removing the thread from the needle and the needle bar. Add your bobbin thread to the thread stand and make sure that the thread comes off freely with no obstructions. Insert the thread through the thread stand hole from back to front. Pass through the pin thread guide. Now guide the thread under the pin and in between the tension discs going counterclockwise. Then go back over the pin. Now for these bobbins, pass the thread through the slot from the inside to the outside. Then place the bobbin on the bobbin winder. You want to hold the thread tail as you begin winding up the bobbin. You can also guide the thread onto the bobbin while it's winding. When the bobbin is sufficiently full, remove it from the bobbin winder. A helpful tip is to wind up multiple bobbins at once because these are smaller sized bobbins. Press the lever and pivot the needle plate to access the bobbin shuttle. Remove the bobbin shuttle and let's replace your empty bobbin with a new full one. To remove the empty bobbin, you will need to pivot the retaining spring out of the way and then the bobbin will slide out. Load your bobbin into the shuttle and pass the thread through the shuttle slot opening. Now the thread goes up and through the delivery eye hole. After that has been completed, move the bobbin retaining spring back into place. Now that the shuttle has been threaded, we can load it into the recessed area. Make sure that as you pull the thread off the bobbin, it is coming off counterclockwise. Finally, swing the needle plate back into place. Rotate the hand wheel to go through the sewing process. The top thread will catch the bobbin thread and bring it up through the hole in the needle plate. All right, your machine is now all set and ready to sew. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.